Kenya uria turona murimu wa covid no urathie na mbere o uria noguo tugite kinya mbere na ataaramu ni maugite murimu no uguthie na mbere thikũ icio ciothe na ntwetereire ati no uguthie ukiongererekaga kinya hihi mweri wa Novemba kana December. Koguo andu matiagirire kumaka muno ni undu wa uria namba cia murimu irathie na mbere. Andu magire kumakio ni ikuo nicio ciagirire tumenya niki kirakorwo tutume andu acio 300 acio 400 makorwo makuite ni kuonania ati undu wa mbere tugitire aria magire kugitirwo muno aria mena mirimu ingi ta wa cukari wa gutengera thakame na aria mangikorwo maria kuru muno acio nio twagire gukorwo tukirora muno.
We are a team that is representing the national government in assessing how prepared the county governments are to combat COVID menace. Today we visited a number of facilities. We are still yet to finish, but what we can say is that we are very encouraged. We are very impressed with the effort. We have now picked that everybody has taken COVID seriously.